Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Chike. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beats videos. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to notify or whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Monday. What up? Anyways, so it is Monday, guys, and I vlogged yesterday. I think that vlog will be coming out before this one, or we'll merge it, I'm not sure. But anyways, it's Monday and I got a few things to do today, you know, so just decided I'm gonna vlog. Guys, my hair, this is the hair from yesterday. I did my hair for yesterday to go to church, and I just covered it and got my bed last night. So yeah, anyways, I started my duty in the kitchen. I'm actually cleaning the kitchen right now, and I'm like, I forgot to start vlogging, so I'm gonna start vlogging right now. And bring you guys along for the day. So yeah, I haven't done vlogs, like daily vlogs, in a while. After the vacation, yeah, I'm gonna really do it that much after that. So I'm hoping that today will be actually a great day. So yeah, let's go. So pretty much I am cleaning the kitchen. I actually did the cups and forks and spoons and something already, and I just remember, so I'm actually watching YouTube as well while I do that. So yeah. And we don't have our couch. Just get my package. Been waiting on this package for a while. I finally got it. Before I open mine, I'm gonna be showing what my sister got me. So she wanted us to match, so she got me this blouse. So it's a work blouse. She wants us to match for work. It's in 3X. I normally wear 3X or 2X depending on the stretch. So 2X, 3X. Sometimes I can fit into a 1X. So this is the other one. So she has similar, well, pretty much the same one, just different size. So yes, those are the things my sister got me. And then this is my package. All right, this package was actually a package to try out some things that I want to buy more. Thought it would be pinker. So I'm gonna see. But anyways, and then this one, I have this other one. You know, it's not a toy, it's just a keyring. Here to some of them. Alright, so I wanted to try out some tights, them underwear kind of stuff, them tights, underwear, them bras and so on. So I have those, but I'm gonna show you guys the skirt first. Right now I'm sweating, I can't put on that now. Anyways, I wanted to buy a mustard looking skirt, but this looks big. And it's 2X. You know, I don't understand Shein. Sometimes I buy 3X and it fits fine. Sometimes I buy 2X, it fits fine. This 2X looks like a 3X. Like, seriously. You know? But anyways, I'm gonna try that on later. So I bought that mustard looking thing to go to work. Then I bought this tights looking thing. It's supposed to be one of those seamless tights. It looks small. So hopefully it fits. I'll let you guys know. It's one of those seamless ones. It stretches though. And this is in XL. I think this was the largest one. And it stretches, so I hope it fit me. One of fingers crossed. It says be kind on it. It looks cute. And I like the color. You know, brown. Kind of nudish brownish. Then I have some underwear. I want to try out their underwears because, you know, why not? I always love buying cute underwears, and they seem to have quite a few cute ones. So this is, it looks small. I like the top part. Kind of just weird, but yeah. This is in also XL. It's the fine 2 panty, and this comes with 3. I'll put how much for it right here. I don't remember. But it comes with 3. It comes with this color, comes with this mustard looking one, and then this nude one. So yeah. Then, oh, cute. Why this looks so small though? Anyways, so look on the one there. That's the phone case. I call it a phone case as well. And this one is the bra. It looks small. No, it does not. I like how they send it still, but then look. It look kind of flimsy, but then what do I expect? Actually, it does not. It's fine. Alright, so I bought a bra in, I think this was, yes, 90F. I really don't understand their sizing for the bra, so I'm just trying it to see how it works so I can actually buy more. So yes, that's the bra. And then last thing in the bag is this phone case. So so the phone case comes with a iPod case, pretty much, and they dented my phone case. So it says love, laugh, live. Love, laugh, life. I thought it was live. It's life. Anyways, so them kind of bend it because it came with this, so this kind of push it down. But yes, they both say the same thing: love, laugh, live. And this supposed to have on the thingy on it. So yeah, that is my little haul for my little Shein thing. Alright, so we're going to continue this vlog. I have the room to clean. I finished the kitchen, have the room to clean. Later on I'll do the try on part of the haul for you guys. Yeah. So it's really hard, but yeah, it's Ariane. Yeah. Anyways, we're going to actually continue. I paused a little to have some lunch. Hopefully you're not here, man. I paused a little to have some lunch. Right now, not you, baby. Right now, I'm going to be cleaning the room, and then we're going to do our clothes. again, people. We're looking close. The suitcase is out.
We need to organize this. You should have
Mm-hmm.
up all of those things.
Wow. Alright guys, so it's quite a bit later. I just finished showering. Right now I'm gonna be wrapping some books for my baby. So her textbooks over there, and I'm gonna be wrapping them. Look how in the kitchen. I should steal it. We are tea for the kitchen.
Me no know. I feel like me I feel going on it.
Teeth. Come on, come on. So it's dinner time, people. Dinner time. We got some chicken. We got some mac and cheese, vegetable, rice, and what is it again? Cold food. Yes. Yes. So dinner time. Alright, guys. So I did look my clothes. I forgot to show you guys. It's 4 weeks in September for school. And I have 4 weeks here, first, second, third, fourth, and then those are for like the professional development terms. So yeah, I did that. This was my list, and I got those 3 done. So yes, I never wash, I never edit, and tomorrow I'll iron. So I'm gonna head into bed right now and watch some YouTube, and I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys. Bye guys.